Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Online Learning. In this video, I am going to say about G sound. Actually, G sounds G, which is a phonic sound. G also makes other sound, that is J. Let us see when does G makes G sound and when does G makes J sound. We'll see this with a small rule. Okay? So when G makes G sound, it is called hard sound. Phonic sound is hard sound. When the same G makes J sound, it is soft sound. So there is a rule. When does G makes hard sound and when does G makes soft sound? You already know vowels. A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y are called as vowels. So whenever we see A, O, U and other letters after G, it makes G sound. For example, G-O-A-T. Here we have O sound. G-O-T. G-O-T. Goat. Next word. Here we have A sound. G-A-T. G-A-T. Gate. Here we have U letter. G-um. Gum. G-um. Gum. Next. Now when does G makes soft sound, which is J? When you see E, I, Y, these letters after G, it makes J sound. For example, this is gem. We see E after G. So we are pronouncing it as jum, not gim. Gem. Okay, here G is making J sound. Let us see some more examples. Here we have G and after G we can see letter E. What is the rule? When you see letter E, I or Y after G, it makes J sound. Here K-J, cage, K-J, cage. Let us see one more example. This is giraffe. We say G for giraffe, but it sounds, G sounds as J. G sounds J because we have I after G. See, we have I after G. That's why G sounds as J. Giraffe. Giraffe. So what is the simple rule? Whenever we see E, I and Y after letter G, it makes soft sound, which is J. Rather than that, if you see any letters like A, O, U in vowels and consonants, it makes G sound. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Online Learning. Thank you.